Volcano, blue dreaming. Volcanic island, greened and grey, faded into rise, arpeggio to forte peak, arpeggio to fade, a gather on sea dark, thin horizon, pale sky blue bar, painted along its foreground, volcano beaching on every compassed shore, volcano blue dreaming its morning. A tree picked up that dream on every angled leaf, brewed one its own, through a cast of breeze, dream freight toward her, that only lifted the hem of her dress a little to the side. So this tree dreamed its lady of mine. I and tree, we contest the lady. I dreamed her first, while tree slept dreamless in spider winds, bird tangles. My lady kept saying to let the image speak for itself. I can't let it speak out of turn, speak before I have. It has so won the present moment to seem, while I look in, outside the dream.